With wireless connectivity, you can easily and conveniently connect your Android smartphone to the color touchscreen. To use Android Auto on an Android 9.0 phone or earlier, you'll have to download the Android Auto app on Google Play to your smartphone. Later models come with the app already installed. If you haven't already paired your phone to Bluetooth hands-free link, check out that video to do the pairing procedure first. Now, make sure the vehicle is safely parked with the power set to on or accessory. To connect Android Auto wirelessly, touch the Home button on the touchscreen, then touch General Settings. From there, touch Connections, and then Manage Device Connections. Now, touch the Android Auto icon in the Function column to enable Android Auto. If your phone asks to accept the connection to Android Auto, select OK. When you first use Android Auto, a tutorial will appear on the screen. We recommend you complete the tutorial while safely parked. Touch the Android Auto icon to display the Android Auto home screen. From the Android Auto home screen, you can display Google Maps and use the navigation function just as you would with your Android phone. Note that when the vehicle is in motion, you cannot make keyboard entries. Stop in a safe place to undertake a search or provide other input. Touch the phone icon to make and receive phone calls as well as to listen to voicemail. Talk to Google on Android Auto and get things done with your voice so you can keep your focus on driving. Just say, "Hey Google," or press the talk button on your steering wheel. Or touch the microphone icon on the color touchscreen. You can say things like, "Text Anne," "Call Michelle," "Navigate to work," "Play my road trip playlist." Select the Honda icon to exit Android Auto. If you would like to connect to the system using a cable, you still have that option as well. Simply use the cable that came with your Android phone, plug it into the USB port labeled with the three-pronged icon at the front of the center console, select Yes on the confirmation screen. For more information, please refer to the Android Auto homepage at www.android.com/auto. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.